Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how easily you can perform numerical integration on your calculator. So in order for you to understand all the things completely, please watch the video till the end. So let's start with the first example. Let's try putting this into the calculator. So first select the integral by pressing the button just below the menu. Now enter the function in terms of x. Please note that you can enter the variable x by pressing the button at the corner. You don't need to select it from here by pressing the alpha. Now enter square root of x plus 2 over square root of x. Now enter the limits 1 and 4. Now press equals. Now here you have the solution for this integration. Now let's take a look at a trig integral. So here you need to integrate this between 0 and 1 over 4 pi. And this 1 over 4 pi is suggesting us that we are dealing in radians. So first you need to make sure that your calculator is set to radian. So press shift and then press setup and then select angle unit and then select radians. Now your calculator is set to radians. Now as before, select the integral and enter this function. Square root of 1 plus 3 times 10x divided by cos square x. And you have the limits pi over 4 and 0. Now press equals. Here you have the solution for this integration. Now in this example, you need to calculate the shaded area under the curve y equals x cubed between x equals -2 and x equals 1. You all know that to calculate area under the curve, we integrate the function and then apply the limits. But this particular example is not as straightforward as it seems. You can see that when you integrated the function and applied the limits, you got a negative area, and area is never negative. So to do this correctly, we need to pay attention to its graph. Since the graph is crossing the x-axis, so from -2 till 0, you'll get a negative area. And then from 0 till 1, your area will be positive. So what we need to do is integrate between -2 and 0 and take the absolute value of that. And then add the remaining integral into it. Now press shift and then press absolute and write down the integral between -2 and 0. So x power q, and you have the limits. Upper limit is 0 and lower limit is -2. So upper limit is 0 and lower limit is -2. And then add the remaining integral. So integral of x cube, and you have the lower limit as 0 and upper limit as 1. Upper limit as 1 and lower limit as 0. Now press equals. Now 17 over 4 or 4.25 is the shaded area. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe.